This is a story about Harry and Helen, a helicopter, and high, high hopes. Harry has high, high hopes. Helen has high hopes too. Harry hopes Helen has feelings for him. Helen hopes her feelings are true. Harry has a helicopter. Helen wants to fly. Helen has a happy nature. She's happy when she's high. So Harry takes Helen on his helicopter. He flies as high as heaven. But Helen has a heavy heart as she tells him she has to be home by 7:30. But Harry still has high, high hopes, and Helen has high hopes too. Harry still hopes Helen has feelings for him. Now Helen knows her feelings are true. And they lived happily ever after.